All right. Okay, now I'm back now. Let me.
You are now connected?
Hold on, wait a minute. I had to go get something in the back, so I'm gonna start over. All right. Let me.
Oh, okay, cool.
All right. Let me put this in here. Okay, that's T. O. Okay, now I just hit join, right?
Mm-hmm. Correct?
Yes.
All right, you are connected?
Let's see here. Yeah, I'm doing it. It's saying unable to enjoy Kit Network. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me do it again.
Oh,
I don't know
yeah.
what.
Maybe you type it the password incorrect.
Okay. All right. I'm doing this. Do you put that equal sign?
If it's included in the Wi-Fi password.
Okay.
Wait, hold on. What password are you using? Is it a Wi-Fi password, Wi-Fi key, or
It's
a password?
Wi-Fi name T-Mobile.
Yes, that's the Wi-Fi name, right?
Yes.
And under that,
Do I put that slash in there? That little small slash dot that's across?
oh, no, you don't type that password. That's your Wi-Fi name. That's the one that you are going to connect to. Use the Wi-Fi password to connect to the Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Do you see the Wi-Fi password?
Uh,
You see the word Wi-Fi password?
yes, I see the word Wi-Fi password.
All right, use that one. Yes, use that one. Okay.
Okay. Use that one
Can you
right
use
now?
that one? Or yes, correct. Use the Wi-Fi password.
Okay, do I put in the CHASING? Hello?
Sorry, what password did you use?
Do
Hello?
do I use CHASING?
ASINZ.
Yeah, password. Oh, okay. Cause they got the Apple password I-73 explanation mark.
Hold on. Could you tell me, look for the model? Could you check the model of your gateway so that I can verify what's your where you can locate the Wi-Fi password. What's the model of your device, please?
The modem. Oh,
Model.
the model. Oh, it's fast six.
Model. Yeah, the model.
It's 60. It's 5688W.
All right. All right. So you can locate Wi-Fi password on the back. So yeah, you are now on the. So just follow my way here. Okay. So you see the model number, right? You're now in the model number.
The model number? Yes, it's 56.
Yes. You see the 56.
88W.
And then.
And then they got.
Okay. And did you see the under the long barcode? Do you see the long barcode? Under that, there's a Wi-Fi name.
Okay, Wi-Fi name. You ain't talking about the IMIE.
Yes. Yes, under that.
Okay. You talking about the IMEI?
Yes, under that, there's a Wi-Fi name, correct?
Yeah, it's a Wi-Fi name, T-Mobile.
Yeah. Yes. And look that Wi-Fi name on the settings of your Wi-Fi.
Oh, you talking about ADMIN IP?
Look for the in the Wi-Fi name, right? There's a T dash mobile dash what's the number or the letter there?
Okay, the letter. The letter.
I'm asking what is the Wi-Fi name of your T-Mobile home internet?
Okay, the Wi-Fi name. You ain't talking about the username, huh?
No. What I'm saying is that's the username. Don't just go to the just look for the Wi-Fi name first. You see the Wi-Fi name on the back of the gateway?
Yes.
You see that?
Yes.
Okay. Remember that Wi-Fi name. And beside that, that's your Wi-Fi name. Look that for your Wi-Fi in your Wi-Fi settings. Okay. And then once you see the Wi-Fi name on your phone, connect to that using the Wi-Fi password under the Wi-Fi name. There's a four series of words, right? And there's a period between each word. Include the period between each word. And just make sure that you type it correctly because the password are key sensitive. Once you type or hit one letter or one mistake, it won't get you or it won't go through to the Wi-Fi. It won't let you connect.
Okay.
Get that?
I need to start all
Go
over.
to the Wi-Fi settings.
Go to Wi-Fi settings.
Yes, please. Okay.
Okay, I'm in the Wi-Fi settings. I need to type in the password.
Did they ask you to is it the one that the Wi-Fi name that you're trying to connect is the one that is the same on the back of the gateway? Is it the same?
Yes, it's the okay. Enter the password for T-Mobile.
Now, yes. Now type the Wi-Fi password.
All right. Okay, password. I see it's C. It starts with. It's got letter C.
Yes, include all those letters there. Include
Okay.
all the password there.
Okay.
There are four series of words, and there's a period between each word, correct? There's a
Yes.
period,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Include the period. All right. Cool.
You want me to put all the periods in there too?
Yes.
All right.
For example, the first word. All right. The first word is there's a period, and then another word, then a period, then another word, a period, right?
Yes.
So
What?
the period where it's located. All right.
Okay. Password. Do I type in the 2 periods?
Nope.
Okay.
Starting after the 2 periods.
Okay. Okay.
First.
I got you now. See. H, okay, A, just bear with me, S,
Yeah, for sure. No worries.
I, okay. Just hang on, I'm almost there.
All right, you done?
I'm almost.
All right. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'm done. I typed all of them in.
Okay.
Just hit join, right?
And then yes.
Oh, it's just saying unable to join the network. Hold
Unable to join network.
on. Uh-huh.
Okay. Could you try another device there?
Okay,
And
yeah.
after that, if it's still not, yeah.
Okay, I got, oh, this is
Okay.
ATT. Okay, enter the password. Just try another one, right?
Okay. And
All
if
right,
still doesn't work, we will do a factory reset on the device so that it will go back to the default settings.
all right. Wi-Fi name. Okay, let's do this here, all right?
I'm sorry. Hold on one sec, Clarence. Are you trying to add a network?
I'm actually on the phone, just typing the password into the phone.
Okay.
That's okay?
Yeah,
T.
not a problem. Just put me on the speaker so that you can hear me.
Yeah, I got you. Okay, they got a little slash dot straight across. Do I need to put that in there?
I'm sorry.
Do I need to
The
put
what?
the dot in there for the T-Mobile and then the slash in the middle?
What do you mean slash in the middle? Just don't hold on. See here. What are you trying to enter? What password are you trying to enter?
Wi-Fi name. The Wi-Fi name.
No, that's not the Wi. That's not the Wi-Fi password. It's the Wi-Fi name. Just input only the Wi-Fi password.
Okay.
You don't have to type the Wi-Fi password.
Enter the pass. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, let's do this here. Okay,
Just
okay,
input
I got.
Wi-Fi password only. Don't
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Okay, that's oh somebody hold on, I'm trying to get this. Hold on, somebody. Oh, hello, hello. Yeah, hello. Yeah, somebody called me and it knocked me off. Okay, I barely can hear. Yeah, I barely can hear you. Yeah, I'm trying to put you on speaker. I'm trying to put you on speaker. No, I'm have to. I'm trying to put you on. Could you call me back and call me back? Uh, all right. Hello.
Mobile home internet tech support. I just want to verify who I'm speaking with. Could you state your first and last name, please?
Clarence Ray.
Okay. And Clarence, I just want to inform you that this call might be recorded for training and quality purposes. Would that be okay?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And now, may I ask, have you already connected to the Wi-Fi now?
I'm still trying to do it right now.
Okay, cool. Could you try to connect now and let's see if it's working?
Okay, yeah, let's go. All right. Let's see here. 8. Okay, let's see here. No, it isn't. Hold on, let me try another. Okay.
Okay, since it's still not working, could we do a factory reset on your device?
Yes.
So that it will go back to the default settings? Okay. Could you grab a paper clip and look for the reset port underneath of the gateway?
The gateway. Oh, you mean on the device on?
Or, yes, oh yes, the Wi-Fi device?
Okay. The gateway. Okay. Activate. Okay.
Look, there's
Huh?
a reset port. There's a reset port there.
Yeah. Oh, you mean on the device, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. It says your
Yes.
connection. Press it.
Um, what did you see? Is there an arrow like circling arrow?
It's saying your connection is very good.
No. It's under the gateway. There's a circling arrow, the reset port. We need to do a factory reset on that device so that it will go back to the default settings. So that we
Okay.
can use the Wi-Fi passwords there.
Okay.
Could you look for the reset port?
Okay.
It's underneath. Mhm.
It's on the modem in the back of the modem.
Yes, could you check the back of the modem
Yes.
or underneath?
Okay. Yeah. I'm looking. I
Do you see an
see.
arrow like a circle arrow?
Um. Not yet.
What do you see?
I see ADMIN password and then two dots X I mean EXUB.
No. Hello. Sorry, Clarence, to interrupt. It's not where the reset port. It's like could you check all the device? Like I mean, could you turn around the device and look for circle logo or circle arrow?
Okay, circle arrow. That's not gonna be in the front,
Press.
right?
Yes, that's not.
Okay, circle arrow. I'm in the front. Did you told me look in the front or the back?
On the back. I
Oh,
mean, could you underneath the gateway? Could you lift the gateway and look underneath?
oh, okay. Underneath the okay.
There's
Oh,
a circle, right? There's a circle arrow.
yes, it's like an arrow, circle
All
arrow.
right. Yes. Yes,
Okay,
that's the one that we are looking for. And grab a paper clip and insert the paper clip in the port.
okay,
Just grab a paper clip first. Okay.
okay. I pushed it up.
Okay.
Now clip it
What
back
did you
down.
do? I'm sorry. What did you do?
I pushed it up.
Did you have a paper clip?
Paper clip. Oh, you gotta put
Insert the
a.
paper clip. Yes, you need to insert a paper clip on the on the reset port
Oh, so I need to look
and
for.
press.
Hold on. I need. I'm not understanding. Insert a paper clip. You mean like snap it back down?
No, press and hold the paper clip inside the port of the reset port. There's a reset port, right? There's a circle hole inside on the underneath, right?
Okay, press and hold.
Yes, and then wait for the LCD shows factory reset in progress.
Yeah.
Just check the LCD. Once the LCD shows factory reset in progress, withdraw the paper clip.
You said remove it.
After you see factory reset in progress on the LCD screen.
Oh, manage connect device in T-Mobile Internet mobile app.
No, you just look for it like just keep holding the paper clip on the reset port. Once the LCD shows factory reset in progress, withdraw the paper clip from holding.
Oh, really? It just let off of
Just
it.
keep it. Just insert the paper clip to the reset port. Just keep it inside the port until the LCD shows factory reset.
Oh,
progress.
okay. Okay.
Just keep it holding. Okay. Do you see a factory reset in progress in the LCD screen now?
Uh, no, not yet.
What does the LCD shows?
Okay, it went off. It went off.
Mm-hmm.
It went off. The thing went off.
Okay.
Let go of it.
Do you see a factory reset in progress?
Not yet, but it did go dark. It went off, and I'm still holding.
Okay, just withdraw the paper clip.
Okay. It says I.
By the way, um, mhm.
Okay.
What
I
does it
am.
shows?
It
Hello?
says please remove the insert card.
Yes. What does it says in the LCD screen?
It says please remove and insert and activate SIM card into the SIM.
Did you remove the SIM card?
Remove it, cause that's what it's saying.
No, I mean, no, did you remove? No?
No, I never removed it yet. It's saying
Just
remove.
unplug the gateway and then just unplug it. I'm sorry, where did you insert the paper clip? Is it inside the SIM card?
It's
or
still in that, but it's literally saying SIM error detected. Please remove and
Did
insert.
you remove the paper clip?
Okay.
Did you remove the paper clip?
Yes, I did. Now I just moved it out and put it back in.
What do you mean put it back in?
Okay, I don't need to unplug it, do I?
No, you don't need to unplug it.
All right.
Did
Okay.
you unplug it?
And just put it back in right now, right?
No, what I mean when you do the when you insert the paper clip on the port, did you remove it in the power outlet?
Yes, I literally took it out.
No, you should not unplug it from the power outlet. You should keep it at the power outlet and then press the reset port. That should it should be done.
Okay.
You should keep it on the power outlet and then press and hold the reset port.
Okay, I don't need to stick the card back in, right?
What do you mean stick the card? Did you remove the card?
Yeah, I removed it out.
No, insert it on the gateway.
Okay.
And then don't remove anything. Just use the paper clip to insert on the reset port.
Okay.
Look for the hole on the reset port and just press that like 5 to 10 seconds and just wait for the device or the LCD screen shows factory reset in progress. Don't remove anything. And just make sure that you're pressing the correct port. It's not the same port. It's should be on the circle port.
Okay. Now it's saying your connection is very good.
Okay. Will you try to connect your phone first?
Yeah, let me okay, the password.
Could you tell me please the password so that I can help you?
Okay.
that you're typing. Could you spell it out for me, please? Thank you.
Let's see here. I think they when my mother got this thing. Let's see here. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on.